Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Do you want to start milk processing and dairy products industry? Then there are plenty of options available to start your own milk and dairy products business from conception to execution. Our company NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995. Which has been widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. First, chocolate production. Chocolate is a good product in dairy processing industry. The global market for chocolate is valued at approximately $97 billion. The market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 4.6%. Rising awareness regarding dark chocolate as a healthier confectionery products expected to promote the market growth over the next few years. Second, ice cream manufacturing business. An ice cream manufacturing business is a great way to enter into food and beverage industry. It allows you to start your own business with little investment and can be started as a side business or as your full-time profession. The startup cost of ice cream manufacturing business is lower than starting any other type of business because it only requires setting up machines and production space. Third, dairy farming. If you are looking for an alternative career path, consider starting your own dairy farm. The market for milk products is very strong. Starting a dairy farming business can be lucrative. Not only do you get to provide wholesome food for your customers, but you also take advantage of government subsidies, which are intended to help farmers to sell their products locally. Fourth, milk powder. Milk powder, also known as SMP WMP, is a dry concentrated powder obtained by removing about half of water from milk. Milk powder is used for making chocolates, biscuits and other bakery products like muffins. It is also used in preparing infant formula. Asia Pacific has emerged as one of top milk consuming regions due to increasing urbanization and escalating demand for milk products. Fifth, milk processing and dairy products such as butter, yogurt, UHT milk, cheese, ice cream, paneer, ghee and other products. The dairy industry is big business, one that does well even in down markets. The processing side of things can be broken into several sub-industries, including butter or ghee processing, cheese or paneer processing, yogurt and UHT milk production, etc. So if you want to start your own business, these areas are very profitable. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from our project reports. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon. You can also comment us what you are thinking about our video. Please visit to our website for more information. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.